Welcome to the weather broadcast for the Monday, the 7th of July 2025. From our studios in Jamaica, I'm a presenter, Marshall Alexander. As we take a look at this survey chart analysis here, we can see three waves being analyzed in the Atlantic Ocean. This wave here moving across the extreme southern portion of the island chain, and this wave here in the central Atlantic expected to approach the area sometime around Thursday, and this wave near the coast of Africa expected to approach the area sometime early next week. However, I can tell you that Dominica is under the influence of a high pressure system with patches of low-level clouds moving across from time to time, resulting in occasionally cloudy skies for a few passing showers. Now, taking a look at the moisture associated with these features, here we can see the moisture associated with that tropical wave expected to move across the extreme southern portion of the island chain during the next 24 hours. And Dominica here within a relatively dry area. And this is the moisture associated with that tropical wave in the central Atlantic expected to approach the area, mainly the southern portion of the island chain, by around Thursday. And out here we have that other tropical wave which is expected to approach the area, or the moisture associated with that tropical wave near the coast of Africa expected to approach the area sometime early next week. Now we're looking at the Saharan air layer or Saharan dust. Here we can see the movement of Saharan dust as this Saharan dust continue to interact with these tropical waves, preventing the development of these waves at this time. So we can see haze coming through in varying concentrations. However, following the passage of that tropical wave, by Thursday afternoon, we expect to see an increase in the concentration of Saharan dust across the area. So again, we're advising people with respiratory sensitivities to be on alert and to exercise caution to avoid complications as we continue to monitor these tropical waves. Now, taking a look at satellite imagery, here we can see some of the cloudiness associated with that tropical wave expected to move across the extreme southern portion of the island chain. And out here, this area here, the axis of that tropical wave expected on Thursday. And out here, you can see the cloudiness associated with that tropical wave near the coast of Africa expected to approach the area sometime early next week. Now, taking a closer look, closer to home, you can see that a few patches of low-level clouds did move across the island, resulting in occasionally cloudy skies. And looking at radar imagery, which indicates shower activity, here we can see that a few scattered showers, some light to moderate scattered showers, moved across the island during the last 24 hours, with most of the heavier showers being observed across the extreme southern portion of the island chain. Now, tonight's weather is expected to be partly cloudy to cloudy for a few passing showers, with temperatures expected to be down to 24 degrees Celsius on the coast and 22 degrees Celsius in the interior. And tomorrow's weather is expected to be partly cloudy to cloudy as well, and also slightly hazy for a few passing showers. However, as we move into the late afternoon, we expect to see an increase in cloudiness with scattered showers and a slight chance for isolated thunderstorms, as a trough or weak trough is expected to approach the area by late tomorrow. Sea conditions expected to be slight to moderate, with waves picking up to 1.5 meters or up to 5 feet. High tide tomorrow will begin at 1:58 a.m. with low tide at 9:36 a.m. with another high tide at 4:07 p.m. and another low tide at 8:13 p.m. Again, tomorrow, Tuesday, we expect to see partly cloudy to cloudy skies for a few passing showers at first, becoming increasingly cloudy with scattered showers and a slight chance for isolated thunderstorms by late afternoon. However, as we move into Wednesday, conditions expected to start off cloudy with scattered showers and possible isolated thunderstorms, with a gradual drying out of the atmosphere expected as the day progresses on Wednesday. However, as we move into Wednesday night, again, we expect to see an increase in the chance for shower activity and increasing cloudiness as well as we move into Wednesday night into Thursday, due to the approach of that tropical wave. And as we move into Thursday, conditions expected to be being cloudy with scattered showers and a slight chance of isolated thunderstorms, with a gradual drying out of the atmosphere expected as the day progresses on Thursday, with an increase in Saharan dust concentration by Thursday afternoon. An increase in wind speeds can also be expected on Wednesday into Thursday, with winds increasing to 35 kilometers per hour to 40 kilometers per hour on Thursday. Sea conditions expected to remain light to moderate, with waves picking up to 1.5 or up to 2 meters during the 3-day period. Sunrise tomorrow will be at 5:40 a.m. and sunset will be at 6:40 p.m. Please remember, scan our QR code here to follow us on our WhatsApp channel. Also, search Dominica Met to follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and visit our website at weather.gov.dm for up-to-date weather information. Remember that we are in the hurricane season. Stay informed, stay safe, be prepared, and continue to monitor. See you next time.